it doesn't, it feels not as...
People have cased it, look.
Yeah.
This weekend, me and a group of friends, we went back to Jarrod's. We hadn't been in about a month, and it's really good. We did what we usually do. We did a bunch of laps down double wide into senior discount. It's a good lap, and then in between we'd go ride something else. I didn't go up top and ride any of those trails this weekend. Probably should. I just didn't feel like going up there. Little tag, it'll be alright. Yeah, boy. They changed the beginning of 1776. This is our first time to ride it, and coming right up here is a A and a B line, and we decided I'd try the B line, and
oh no, that's terrible. Nope. Nope.
Yeah, it's not the way to go. You definitely want to stay up there in that A line.
You don't like watching yourself ride?
Oh, it's terrible. I ride like an old man. And I'm not cornering good. Oh boy. What's he hollering about? Yeah. Whoa! 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 My bad. Woo! Here's a great lap if you don't want to go up to the top and getting something a little bit rougher. The Armucci Express, and you can turn right into Local Pro right before you get to the bridge. I highly recommend that. That's a good time. Sorry. That was not the line. I really should just jump that. Have fun, boys. I don't have any stees, brother.
I mean, you definitely have a lot of taste range, but
Yeah. It's probably 2-3 bike lengths.
when you hit it though, it doesn't, it feels not as...
People have cased it, look.
Yeah.
Boy, people have cased the shit out of it. Wow. We really had a great day. Super fun. Thanks for watching if you stayed this long, and maybe next time we'll see you there.